Good morning, y'all. Hope you're having a great day. Stopped in at an Easy Mart, picked up a few tickets. Don't you hate it when this happens? I was buying 4 to 50 times. When I got back home, realized I was on ticket number 73. There's only 2 left in the pack. I always hate leaving 1 or 2 tickets left on a roll, but that's where we're at. Hopefully we can find a win on one of these 4 tickets. And then I picked up a $10 cash explosion. It is ticket number 29. So let's see how we can do on these 4 tickets, starting on ticket number 70. I just didn't realize, I don't go to that store very often, so didn't realize it was so close to the end of the pack. All right, match win, 10, 20, 50 times simple possibility. But maybe we didn't need those last 2 tickets. Maybe we got a good win on one of these 4. 4, 28, 22, 18, or a 26. We have yet to find that multiplier on this ticket. Love to find that 20 or 50. Well, I haven't even found the 10 times. Say 13, 35. How about any multiplier I'd love to find? We got a 12, 16, 14, 34, and an 8. Going to go into second chance entry on that one. Ticket number 71. All right, we got a 5, 33, 11, 38, and a 19. Come on, give us the multiplier just one time before it closes. These multipliers on this ticket are very far and few between. Hey, winner, last spot saved, 1919. Let's see what we got. $5, we will take that. And we got 2 more to go. Ticket number 72. 36, 25, 19, 28, 31. Let's go back to back. Where are you, multiplier? 17, 5, 12, 23, 11. All right, we got one more. Let's try to find it on ticket number 73. Excuse me. Still battling this throat thing. All right, 8, 23, 28, 24, and a 4. Come on, let's find one more win. 27, 38. Hey, it did. 28, 28. Maybe we didn't need those last 2. Let's find another helper with it. We did. 28, 24. 28, 24. Anything else? Hey, got 3 matches. All right, 28, 24, and an 8. All right, let's see what we got. Hey, we got 10. We got 10. $25 winner. Very nice. We're at $30. Nice little win. Very good. We didn't need those last 2 tickets. All right, ticket number 29, match win, money bags auto win, or a 20 times symbol. We got a 35, 28, 1, 17, 21, 19, and a 15. Let's pull off a 20 times on this ticket. That's one symbol I've not found on this one. Found the money bag several times. Yeah, 31, 7, 18. Come on. 20 times. 32. And an 8. Can we get the last row save? 23, 38, 40, 36, and a 4. Nope, but we're going to get 30 bucks on the 50 times. Not bad at all, guys. Well, I hope you enjoyed it. Y'all have a great lucky rest of your day, and we'll talk to you later.